All right, let's talk about the different ways that we can use essential oils. There are 3 ways that we can use them. The first way is to use them aromatically by diffusing them or inhaling them. Because the molecules are so small, they stimulate the limbic system when we inhale them. This is the region of the brain that communicates through a sense of smell and affects our emotions, decisions, cravings, our memories, and so much more. Diffusing helps to purify the air, and it's also really great for sleep and emotions. The second way that we can use essential oils is to use them topically. You only need a couple drops when you use them this way because the essential oils are really strong. You dilute them with a carrier oil like V6, jojoba oil, or coconut oil if you have sensitive skin. A great place to start is by using them on the bottoms of your feet because this is where we have our largest pores and all of our nerve endings are here. If an oil feels hot or tingly to the skin, do not use water. Water will help to drive oil further into the skin and make it hotter. So if you're having an issue and you want to intensify the oils, water is a great way to intensify them. But if the oil is too hot, you want to use a fatty oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil to help to dilute it and spread it out. Oil and water do not mix. Dilute the essential oils with a carrier oil. Also, it's good to note that citrus oils like bergamot and angelica, orange, or lemon are photosensitive. So apply these oils topically when you're not going to be in the sun for a long period of time. And the final way that we can use essential oils is to use them internally. We can use them by putting them in a capsule. We can eat them with food, put them in our water, coffee, tea, and they stay in our system for 3 to 6 hours normally with a healthy body. But if we are not well, the essential oils will go to where they need to go to do their fighting and do their healing, and they will stay in our body longer.